Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the CamSnap camera. Now I ordered mine in a black and I've had it for over a month now, but I thought I would just do a little unboxing on here just to show you the simplicity of the box it comes in, the build quality, and also run over a few of the specs which haven't been included in other videos online. So opening up the box and pulling out the camera, we don't have much in there. We have some instructions and also, actually, I didn't put it in, but there is a USB-C to USB-C cable that's included, and yeah, to the camera. So this is the CamSnap camera. So let's get rid of the box. So yeah, as you can see, it's a very simple design. It's all plastic. On the back, I can reveal there is no screen. This is what this camera is all about. So I'm all for this, living in the moment, having a camera where you don't super overanalyze every picture as you shoot, and you can just have it in your pocket. It's super light. Yeah, it's like a little toy really, very plasticky, sort of lightweight, minimal quality. So if we can turn it on by holding down the shutter button, boots up, should boot up. Yeah, so 2 seconds holding that down, and then it will give you your shutter count, or frame count rather. So I've shot already 206 frames. Now I have already gone ahead and done a little photo walk around London, did a little bit of street photography with this, and actually set it in the black and white mode. I'll list that up here or in the comments below, and also in the description. Very interesting. It was low light around the streets of London towards the end of the day, and yeah, very reminiscent of shooting something like Tri-X, sort of an old film, heavy film grain, black and white film. But anyway, back to the camera. Yep, so we have a fixed lens. The lens is a roughly 42 to 45mm lens equivalent. We have a flash here, it's an LED flash, and we have a viewfinder. So it's nice to actually have that viewfinder, which is something we don't get on a lot of compact cameras anymore. We have a flash on, off, and auto setting. So with the flash set to on, that's how it fires. And then you might have just heard the shutter sound. I think that is quite cool, but there is an option to be able to turn off the shutter sound, and that's downloadable. So you can download silent shutter, you can download the black and white image pack. I say image pack, it's really sort of just converts the default setting in the camera from the standard color to black and white. And then there's also a vintage color setting as well. So again, I'll list that all in the description below. So you have, yeah, that's the shutter sound was coming from the speaker here. So that's really the back of the camera. You've got a little thumb grip there. It doesn't have a lanyard hole or anything for sort of a neck strap or wrist strap. So I think I might get something and stick it on there. Shutter button illuminates in green when it's on. And again, as I said, fixed lens with an aperture fixed to about 3.2 we've worked out. It has a 1/2.3 inch sensor. It shoots 8 megapixel frames, and it has an internal storage of 4 gig, which is a micro SD card, and you can access that via this flap here. So you just need a little Phillips screwdriver. You can upgrade that to a 32 gig if you need to. And then next to it, we have the USB-C port. Now, I'm really happy they included a USB-C port. You can download your images from there, so you don't have to take the card out. And also, you can charge it through there. What other details do you need to know? So 8 megapixel sensor, so that's 3264 by 2448. So a minimal focal distance of around 1 meter. I've got pretty good results closer, and it weighs about 88 grams. We can get about 200 frames for a full charged battery. And essentially, that is probably all you need to know. Again, I'll list the video that I've already shot with some examples up there or down in the description. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. It's a fantastic camera. It's going to be in my pocket or in my bag when I'm out doing street photography with other cameras, and when we're away on holiday. It's so light, you don't even notice it. Obviously very pocketable. And yeah, any questions, leave them below. And if you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. So until the next one, I'll see you then.